What's up, Handcuffians? Happy International Handcuff Day. Since these are my newest ones, I'll mess with these first. I got this tool from Oscar Delta in the UK. I don't think he sells it anymore. It's a hook, a shim, and a bypass shank. It works. This hook works pretty good on these, and the Peerless or the Smith and Wessons. I also have my old handcuffs that I broke the chain off of. I got my acrylic. Of course, the Peerless. And then the Smith and Wessons. Well, that was easy. That's just the hook tool. I accidentally cuffed him to my shoelace. I don't think the hook works on this acrylic, but I'm going to try real quick. If not, I can shim it. Let's see. It seems like it should work. I don't see what the issue is here. It's got a huge open keyway. Screw it. Shim out of it then. Oh, that's why it's double locked. Always check your cuffs before you almost bust your wrist. Short hook from the Shackle pick set. See if I can get this to fit in here. Yep. Now let's see if this little bastard works. Of course, it wasn't double locked. We got this no brand shitty lock. Boom. Oh, cool. I'm in the habit of leaving them double locked for some reason. And remember, 10 and 2 with these. 10 and 2. We'll just move on to the other side. Oh. Boom. With the little hook. Okay. To the Peerless. And I know that hook doesn't work in there, so I'll use this one. Let's see if I can remember where the thing is at. Yeah, there it is. I'm not really doing escapes, I'm just messing around with them, but it's all but one pair of cuff. Those stay up there. Those are my Darby's. one of the keyhole screws is kind of bent, and I don't want to mess it up more, so it's just kind of display. Anyways, it's been a while. Happy handcuff day. Keep picking.